as topic wise. Okay, so let us try to first complete one small topic related to this one, that is about your logic gates. Tell me, what are the different types of logic gates for your syllabus, beta? The first one is NOT gate. Second one is AND gate. Third one is OR gate. Okay, then followed by this one, NAND gate. The next one is NOR gate, and next one is XOR gate. XOR means exclusively. Okay, and seventh one is XOR gate. Okay, these two are right now here, beta. Which one? NAND gate and NOR gate. These two are called as of your universal gates. That means we can derive from this one NOT gate, AND gate, and as well as of your OR gate. Okay, and this works on the principles of your Boolean algebra. That means here in this one, the high voltage that is on, we represent it by your 1. 1 is nothing but equal to your on, or I can say this one is as of your true. The same way, if I'm talking about low voltage is represented by 0, or this is also known as half, or I can take this one as of your false.
False, yes, sir.
Okay. In truth table, when you are drawing the diagram, beta, okay, in upper part, when it is above the 0, if this is a bar line, if this is above here, it will be equal to 1. If it is below here right now, it will be 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here see, 1 and 0 are not the numbers, beta. They just represents the higher voltage and as well as of your lower voltage form. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. See the first side heading, NOT gate. First one is NOT gate. The basic symbol for the NOT gate is something like this. This one with a small 0. This one is one input and one output. Okay. So this one is your input and this one is your output. Output is A bar. NOT, that means if input is taken as of your A, the output of this one will be equal to A bar. A bar means right now for me opposite of that value. Okay. Just like say for example, if I am taking here input and here I am getting its output. If I take input as 0, output will be equal to 1. If I take input as 1, output will be equal to 0. If I take input A, output will be equal to A bar. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear with the truth table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, simple. Still we can do more detail beta, but time constraint is there. That is the reason directly we are going for the applications of this one. Next one is your AND gate. AND gate. See in the AND, the last word is D. the shape of this D will be equal to the shape of this given condition. Like say this is the symbolic representation like D. Okay, it has two inputs, input A and input B, and we get one output for this one. The one output is right now for me Y. So this gate is known as what for me? AND gate, D shape. Okay, the result is represented by Y is equals to A dot B. Y is equals to A dot B. So how we read it, beta? Read it as Y is equals to A and B. Y is equals to A and B. Okay, na? Like say for example, here I am taking the input and here I am taking your output. Okay. So first one, if I am taking the input as of your A and B, this is your A and this is your B. Output is Y is equals to A dot B. Okay. Let's say if both the inputs are 0 and 0, A is 0, B is 0. So Y will be equal to how much, beta? Y is equal to A and B. That means Y is also equal to 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, then what will be the value of Y, beta? Y is equals to also 0. If this is 1 and this is 0, this one is also your 0. Clear? And if this is 1 and this is 1, both of them are right now 1 and 1, high. Output is also equal to your high. This is the thing we need to remember here, right? Clear? So for AND gate, we get 0, 0 and 1. Clear? Like say if I explain you with circuit diagram, this is your cell here and this is your one more cell. And this is connected to your bulb right now. Two cells are connected to your series. This is switch S1, this is switch S2. Now both of them are open, beta. Open means 0 and 0. Will the bulb will glow? Tell me. If both the switches are open, will there is a flow of a current in this one? No flow of a current. So bulb will glow? No. So it will be 0. 0, 0, 0. Now see here. If A is 0 and B is 1 and if B is closed like this, switch 2. This is A and this is your B. Will there is a flow of current still in this one?
No.
No. So that means if 0 and 1, the output is no glowing of the bulb. It will be 0 only. Now see, if I open this one and if I close the value of A, that means A is 1 and B is 0. Will the bulb will glow?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Now if I close both of them, better,
Yes, sir.
bulb will glow. That means
Yes,
1, 1, the output will be equal to your 1, 1. Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next one, OR gate. OR gate. So here output is high, beta. If any input is also for me or high. So I'll write in bracket. Output is high if any input is high. If any one of the input is 1, the output is also equal to your 1 in the given condition. The symbolic representation of this one is something like this, but very important, arrow mark like this, arrow mark show. So we have two inputs like this. This is A and this is B. This is your OR gate and this is your one output that is equals to 1. So Boolean algebra is Y is equals to your A. OR gate is represented by your plus. This is Y is equals to your A plus B. How do we read it, beta? How do we read it? Read it as Y is equals to your A or B. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes,
Y is
sir.
equals to your A plus B, or how we do read it? Y is equals to your A or B. Now if I write the truth table for this one, beta, like say we are having input and we are having your output. Input are A and B and output is right now for me Y. Y is equals to your A, and this one is right now for me plus. Clear? Okay. Now tell me, if both of them are 0, output is also 0. If this is 0 and 1, what is output?
1, sir.
1, because see I have written here right now, what I have written? If output is remaining high, if any input is high, isn't it? Now if this
Yes.
is 1 and 0, this is
1.
your 1, and both of them are 1 and 1, this will be
1.
equal to 1. Am I clear with the truth table of this one?
Yes, sir.
Symbolic representation is also very important for me. Clear? Sure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one. NAND gate. Next one is your NAND gate. Okay. Symbolic representation. Y is equals to A dot B bar. Why? NAND means what? Not of your AND gate. Isn't it? 9 is nothing but what beta? It is a not a plus and in dono
And
ko add kare. So we are getting right now from your NAND gate. Am I clear? So Boolean algebra
yes.
for this one is y is equals to your A dot B bar. Bar means not. Now how do you represent it? This one beta symbolic representation. You see, first you take your AND gate and output of this one is connected to your NOT gate. And this will be the output for this one y. And we have two inputs for this one. This is A and this is your B. So it is a combination of your AND gate and combination of your NOT gate. What will be the output here, right beta? Here it is A dot B. So obviously its output will be equal to A dot B bar. Am I clear? That is the value of your y.
Yes, sir.
Overall, whenever we are writing this one, every time we can't draw like this. So that is the reason we are simply representing with your like D shape like this and with a small 0 symbol in front of this. Okay. So this will be your two inputs, input A, input B, and output will be equal to your y. So this is known as what for your NAND gate symbol. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me the truth table.
Yes.
So this is your A, this is your B, and this is your y. Y is equals to your A dot B bar. So here I'll write first A bar and B bar. Here I'll take here first A, then I'll take here B, then here I take A dot B. Okay, then I'll take the next one. Now tell me the answers. This is 0, this is 0. Obviously A dot B is how much for me? 0. Then Y will be equal to bar
1.
of that one. 0 bar means how much it will be? 1.
1.
Okay. Then
Yes.
0 and 1. This will be equal to how much for me? 0. Output will be equal to how much for me? 1.
1.
For dot product you see beta A dot B. We got here. A dot B is 0, 0, 0. Okay. The next one is 1 and 0. This will be 0. Output will be equal to 1. 1 and 1 beta. Here it is your 1. So output will be equal to 0. Am I clear with the truth table of this one?
Yes, sir.
Sir, last one explain once again.
Last one is right now for me what? 1 and 1. Both of them are switch on. So A dot B will be equal to how much for me? 1 na beta. And it is connected to not. So it is 1, 1 bar. 1 bar means opposite of that one. That will be equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Y is equals to your A dot B bar. Am I clear? Sure. Next one. Fifth one. NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of what, can you tell me? It is a combination of your NOT gate plus OR gate. Isn't it? Symbolic representation for this one. Arrow mark symbol like this. We have two inputs, input A, input B. So this one is OR gate and this one is right now output here. and this output is connected to one more gate right now. This is not, and here we'll get the final output. Okay, so it will be here equal to how much? A plus B, and output will be equal to y is equals to A plus B bar. Clear? Every time I can't draw this diagram, so we have a basic symbol for this one. Just represent like this with an arrow mark symbol, and here one 0. So this will be your output y, and here this will be your two inputs. This is A, and this one is right now for me B. So this represents for me what gate? NOR gate. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So what is the Boolean algebra for this one? Y is equals to A plus B bar. This will be the Boolean algebra or equation for your NOT gate. Y is equals to your A plus of your B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the truth table faster. The truth table A, next one is B, next one is A plus B, then Y. Y is equals to your A plus B bar. Isn't it? Then if A is 0, B is 0, A plus B will be equal to how much beta? 0. Then A plus B bar will be opposite of A plus B, that will be equal to 1. Clear? 0, 1 will be equal to how much beta? 1. Opposite of 1 will be equal to how much for me? 0. 1 and 0 beta. 1 and 0 is how much for me? 1. Opposite of the 1, not. It will be equal to 0. Okay. If this is closed and this one is closed, output will be equal to 1. And not of that one will be equal to how much for me beta? 0. So output will be equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is your truth table. Done beta?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let us try to go for the next one. Boolean algebra. Okay. So try to remember beta, very important. First one. A double bar is always equals to A. Clear? Second one. A dot A will be equal to your A. Next one. A dot A bar will be equal to 0. And A plus A will be equal to A. Gurtuntada?
Yes, sir.
Like say example, if I tell you, what is B double bar?
B, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And what is your C double bar?
C.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Keep a note here, beta. Whenever you are solving the Boolean algebra, make sure that what you do is just break the bar and change the sign. That means plus sign will convert into dot, and dot sign will convert into your plus. Am I clear? What do you mean by this one, beta? What do you mean by this one? Break the bar and change the sign. Like say for example, I am giving you one small question. You see here, if y is equals to a, this one is right now for me b bar, plus this is a bar, this is b, and total is above bar. Now solve it. simplify the value of y. So what you do is first break the above bar. If I break this bar, this value will be equal to y. This one is a dot b bar. This is bar. When I break this bar, below bar, what is their symbol? Plus. So plus symbol will convert into dot. Then it is a bar dot your b. This is a double bar. Which in the statement under key? Am I clear with this
Yes,
point?
sir.
Now again
Yes,
break
sir.
this bar and break this bar. So when you break that bar, y value will be equal to your a bar. When I break this bar, the dot value will become how much for me, beta? Plus.
Yes, sir.
This will be
Yes.
equal to b double bar. Then this is your dot. This is your a double bar. And dot will become for me plus. And this will become for me b bar. Isn't it? Now can anyone simplify still this one? Y is equals to a bar plus. What is b double bar, beta?
B only, sir.
Very good. It will be equal to your p dot.
Yes.
What is a double bar?
A, sir.
A, very good. Plus b bar.
B bar.
Am I clear up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this one? No. Still, you
No.
can still simplify this one. Y is equals to. It will be equal to your a dot a bar if I am multiplying this one plus a dot your b plus a bar p bar plus this will be b dot b bar. Am I clear? Any doubt in this multiplication? I'm just
No, sir.
multiplying this one better. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
See, a
Yes.
dot b or b dot a, it will be one and the same. Doesn't make any difference. Now, can anyone tell me what is a dot a bar, beta? Just now I told you here. What is a
Yes,
dot
sir.
a bar?
0.
What is
Zero,
a dot
sir.
a bar?
0.
0. So that means here a dot a bar will become how much for me? 0. B dot b bar will be equal to how much?
0.
0.
So what will be the answer remaining? Y is equals to, this will be
A
equal
dot
to
B plus
a dot b plus a
A
bar
bar
b bar.
B bar.
This will be your answer. Am I clear with this model?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ఓకే చలో ఇంకో ట్రై చేయండి తొందరగా ఫాస్ట్ if y is equals to this is a dot b in the bracket it is a bar plus of your p bar plus this one is your a plus b this is bar and we are having a total bar on this one. So solve it along with me faster. If I'm going anywhere mistake you please let me know. First I'm breaking this symbol. So if I break this symbol, then the answer will be equal to y is equals to a, this one is dot b, this is a bar plus of your p bar. This is total bar. So when I break this one, the plus sign will become for me dot.
Dot,
So
sir.
a plus b bar and above there is a bar on this. Am I clear with this one? Now again I am breaking this bar, again I am breaking this bar above one. Isn't it? Now see here. Y is equals to your, this value will become how much for me, beta? Because in the between these two there will be what? Dot only, no? So this will be your a dot b, there will be bar on that one. So when I'm removing that bar, this above one, this dot will convert
Plus.
into what, beta? Plus.
Plus,
Yes, sir.
sir.
This will be equal to your a bar plus b bar and there is a double bar. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now when you take a double bar, beta, a double bar will be equal to your a.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This a double bar and when I break that bar right now again it will become for me dot, again if I break the bar that will become for me plus. This will be equal to b double bar. Jachinda,
Ochindi, sir.
see when I break the above one this plus will become dot. When I break again this one this dot will again will become for me plus. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Again you break this bar and again you break this bar. So y is equals to, when you break that one it will be your a bar dot will become for me plus b bar. This is plus. When I break that bar it will be your a double bar, the plus will become for me dot and this will be
B
equal to
double
b
bar.
double bar, isn't it? This will be dot, a double bar will be equal to your a plus b double bar will be equal to your b. So ultimately y is equals to a bar plus b bar, this will be equal to plus, this will be a double bar is a, this will be equal to
A
your,
dot B.
how much beta?
B double bar B, sir.
B double bar will be equal to your b.
B.
this will be dot, this will be your A plus of your B. Am I clear till this point? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now multiply this. If I am multiplying this one, y is equals to, this is A, if I multiply with this condition right now, if I take this plus and this will be equal to your dot. If I take this totally inside beta, what I'll write here? This will be equal to your A dot A bar plus A dot B bar plus A dot into your A plus this will be A dot into your B. Am I clear? This will be equal to your plus. This is your A bar into B plus B dot into your B bar plus A dot into B plus B dot into your B. Anywhere it is becoming 0 beta. A dot A bar will be 0. B dot B bar will be equal to 0. So ultimately the answer will be equal to how much for me? Y is equals to, this is A dot B bar plus A bar B plus this will be equal to A plus B plus of your A dot B. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See here A dot B and A B, this one is A dot B, isn't it? What will be that values beta? A dot into A dot is how much value? Here I have taken the relations right now. A dot into A dot is A,
A.
isn't it? A dot into B will be equal to how much for me beta? A dot into B and A dot into B. Okay. So if I simplify that relation, so Y is equals to your A dot B plus A bar B plus of your A plus B plus A dot B. Done? Any doubt in this one?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Which one better? Just multiply this one. Nothing is else in this one. If I'm going anywhere mistake, you can just check your calculations here. That's it. You understand the basic knowledge now? What you're doing? You're just breaking the bar and changing the sign. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You please by heart this one better. Like a second table, it should be on your tips. First one, A double bar, first. How much?
A, sir.
A dot B bar will be equal to A bar plus B bar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then A plus B bar. If I break the bar, it will be
A
your
dot
A
B.
bar dot B bar.
Yes, B bar.
Isn't it? The next one, fourth one. A plus A will be equal to your A. A dot A will also will be equal to your A. 1 plus A will be equal to 1 and 1 dot A will be equal to your A. Done? These are the rules, you need to remember them better. A plus A bar, that will be equal to 1 and A dot A bar will be equal to 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay? These are all points you need to remember. Still, I am having a detailed explanation of this one better. I'll send you that video. If you have a time, you do it out. But I think this much knowledge is more than enough to do any logic gate problems part of relation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer for this gate better faster. I'm having one logic gate here, one NOT gate, and here also one NOT gate. And this is connected to this gate. And here this is NOT. And here this is your output. For this one, there is one input A, and for this one, there is one input that is nothing but B. So tell me what is this logic gate represents. So what logic gate will it represent? Tell me what is the value of Y finally. If this is A here, what is here output beta here? A bar. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. A bar and B bar.
Yeah, and here it will be equal to B bar.
Y
Now
is
if I'm
equal
writing
to
y,
A bar plus
y
B
value
bar.
will be equal to how much beta? Y value will be equal to your A
A
bar
bar
plus
plus
B
B
bar
bar.
double bar. That means it will be your A double bar. This will be dot B double bar. A double bar is your A dot B. That
B.
means
B.
output is equals to how much for me? A
Y.
dot B. So if the output is A dot B, what type of gate it will represent?
AND gate.
AND gate. It will be your AND gate. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Tell me the answer for this one. If I get the AND gate like this, and this is a NOT here, and we are having two inputs. Here one input A and here one input B. And the outputs of this one is being connected like this to one AND gate. And here it is 0. And this is the value of your X. Tell me what is this value of X.
AND gate.
Okay. आ गया सभी को? See, it is A and B. Here output will be equal to how much beta? A dot B bar. Both the inputs are same, na beta? This will be acting as what for me or NOT gate. So X value will be equal to how much for me beta? X is equal to your A dot B. This will be equal to double bar, isn't it? So obviously X will be equal to how much for me? A double bar. It will be, if I remove one bar, it will be plus. Again, if I remove one more bar, it will become again for me equal to your dot. It is your B double bar. So X value will be equal to how much for me? A dot B again. So if X is equal to your A dot B, again what type of gate it will be your? AND gate. Am I clear?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So that was a little bit introduction related to your logic gates. I'll check whether if I have any previous notes of logic gates so that I can do some problems. There. Chalo. XOR gate and NOR gate are not there in the syllabus beta. That is the reason I am not touching that. Otherwise, we can directly do the questions related to that one also. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes.
See this question. One gate is given here right now like this. One more gate is given like this. The output of both of this one are being connected to your one more gate like this. And this is your output Y. And here we are having one input directly, that is equals to your A. And here there is one more input that will be equal to B. From this B, here it is connected to the NOT. And this NOT is connected to this gate here right now. And here again directly one more input that will be equal to C. Now tell me what is the value of Y. Find out the value of Y. Find out the value of your Y. I need the Boolean expression. I'll give the options. It is A bar plus of your B dot B bar plus of your C. Second option is A plus B. This will be equal to dot B bar plus C. The third one is A plus B bar dot B plus C bar. The fourth one is
The
none.
second option.
Very good. Second option is the answer. आगे ऐसे भी go. Tell me here, what
Yes.
is an output here? It will be equal to how much beta? Directly A plus B. Now
A
here
plus
it is B beta and
B
here
bar
it
plus
is
C.
for me B bar. So here output will be equal to B bar plus C. So obviously output will be equal to how much? Better directly Y is equals to A plus B, and it is right now AND gate. That means it will be a dot B bar plus C. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Sure.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, in the previous one, x equal to a dot
Your voice is getting break, beta.
b double bar. Sir,
हाँ बेटा बोलो Yuri. Your voice is breaking.
break the bar should be into plus करे sir. To a dot b double bar when we equal to b double bar.
क्या 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 your voice is completely breaking, but I'm not able.
Bar it should change in.
या बोले बेटा. मयूरी. हाँ
Sir,
बोलो. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
in the previous question, x
Previous
equal
question
to
बोले
a
तो ये
dot
वाला.
b double bar.
हाँ.
X equal to a dot b double bar.
X is equals to x is equals to a dot b double bar. Yeah, tell me.
When we break the bar, it should change into plus.
Yeah, see, double bar na. So when I'm taking it double bar, there is a dot symbol. When I remove one bar, this dot will convert into plus. Again, when I remove this bar, this dot, this plus will become back to your dot.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
I got confused. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure. Solve the given expressions better. Faster. First one is y is equals to b plus ba. Okay. The second question is y is equals to a b a bar into b plus AB. Okay. And third question is y is equals to A bar B plus A bar A B bar total bar. First one ka batao answer. Can I write this one as y is equals to B common? It will be 1 plus A. What is 1 plus A beta?
1, sir.
Sir, B into
1 plus A will be equal to how much for me? 1,
1, sir.
isn't
1,
it?
sir. Yes.
Because
Yes.
if I take A value 1, 1 plus 1 will be equal to 1. If I take A value 0, 1 plus 0 is also 1, isn't it? That means I can write here y is equals to B. This one will be equal to how much for me? 1. So obviously what will be the answer for this one? Y value will be equal to B. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next one try karo. Y is equals to A bar B plus AB. That means I can write here y is equals to this y is equals to, I can take B common, it will be your A bar plus A. Can I write like this? Isn't it? Now tell me A bar plus A will be equal to how much?
1, sir.
It will be equal to 1. Very good. So it will be equal to your B dot, it will be equal to 1. So for this one also the answer will be equal to how much for me? Y is equals to B. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now this one you tell me very easy. Y is equals to, this value will be equal to how much beta? This is A bar, this one is right now dot, this is B bar. If I remove the line here, the plus will become for me dot. This will be A B bar total bar. So that means y value will be equal to your, this is A double bar, the dot will change again to your plus, and this
Plus
will be
B.
equal to B
Double
bar,
bar.
and this will be equal to dot, this is your A bar, this will be equal to your, in between there is a dot here, so this value will become for me plus, and this will be equal to B double bar. So y will be equal to A double bar is A plus this one is B bar, this will be equal to dot, this is your A bar plus this one will be equal to your B. Okay, if I multiply this one right now, y is equals to your, this will be equal to your A dot A bar plus this one is A into B plus again B bar into your A bar plus B bar into your B. Anything is getting cancelled beta? A dot into A bar is 0. B bar dot B will be equal to your 0. So
Yes.
ultimately what is the answer for me? Y is equals to, ultimately y is equals to how much for me? AB plus of your A bar B bar. This will be your answer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now tell me the two tables of this AND gate, OR gate and NOR gate in form of your, this is your OR gate, na? Yeah, two table in terms of your bars. In terms of your bar means waveform. Roughly I'm doing it better. You try to understand. If I take here A, and this one is your B, and here it is your Y. Y is equals to how much for me? A plus B. Clear? So if A is 0 means it will be like this. If A is 0 means it will be like this. B is also 0, it will be like this. Okay. And A plus B is also 0, it will be like this on the line 0, 0, 0. So this is one input for this. Okay. So what is the output of this one beta? This is your 0. Then right now for me. Next value is also right now for me. A value is 0. Then B
1.
value is 1. So here I'll take 1 above. This will be equal to 1. Okay. And A plus B will be equal to how much for me beta?
1.
That is also equal to 1 high. This will is 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Then next form of your A. This is 0, 0. The next one is right now for me 1. 1 means I'll take care of
1.
it. Isn't it? Then what is the value of B? B value is equal to how much for me? 0. That
0.
means it will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 1. So obviously what is an output here beta? Output is also equal to your 1.
1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
0 is over, 0 is over, 1 is over. Next one is again 1. So A is your 1 and B is your 0 again. And A plus B will be
Sir,
equal to
no
1.
one. B is 1.
1, 1. This is 1, sorry. So B is equals to your 1. This is your 1. So obviously the output is also equal to 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
इसका ऐसा line draw कर दो, you'll get an idea. And if I'm drawing like this will be one value and this will be one. Okay? Malasa Japana? Clear?
Sir,
Sir,
అర్థమైంది
once
sir.
again explain, sir.
See beta. A value is 0 na beta. A value is 0.
Yes,
First one. Then B value 0. Then Y value is also 0. Clear?
yes,
Then next one. Next one, A value is 0. So A value is 0. B value is 1. So it is above the 0. That means it is your 1. Isn't it? Then what is A plus B? A plus B is also 1. So that is your 1. Got it?
yes, sir.
The next one is third point. This one. A is 1. B is
Yes,
0.
sir.
See, A is 1. B is 0 on the line. So what is output? Output is 1. So it is above 1.
Yes, sir.
The next one, all of them are 1. So above the bar. 1, 1 and 1. Above the bar. Clear?
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
The graph will be drawn like this. You can try for the next gates also better. You can try for the AND gate and as well as of your NOT gate. We try just run in Japan.
ట్రై చేస్తాం సార్.
Sure. We try చేయండి రాకపోతే I'll try to help you out for you. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
NOT gate ఒకటి చెప్పండి చిన్నగా ఉంది కదా. Input is how much for me?
0 సార్.
0. This is your 0. Next one is 0. I'm drawing on the line beta. And next one is right now for me.
1.
B value. 1 is right now 1. You don't need to madal rasu. This is your given part. Okay?
1
Okay.
after.
So output will be equal to how much for me beta?
1.
A. That means it will become for me A bar. Clear? So here it will be
Yes.
equal to your 1. If this is 1, this output will be equal to your 0.
0.
Like this. 1, and this will be 0. Clear?
Yes sir.
Like that waveform, you take your NCRT and try to do. There are 3-4 questions based upon this one beta. Am I clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do this one in the numericals also better. In practice papers jab denge, so there will be questions based on that one. But roughly right now, for just understanding the concept, you try to do this one and try to take some PYQ questions and try to complete that PYQ questions of this logic gates. Clear? Very simple, better direct question. Small practice can directly give you, if you are lucky, if you get a question on logic gates, little bit of a practice. There are hardly 10 or 20 questions of AIMS, JIPMER, maybe CMC, all PYQs. If we take it out, there are 10-15 questions or maybe approximately 50 questions. If you take 1 hour and sit, that 4 marks will be in your pocket. And every average student should also able to do the questions related to this topic better. But there are even the chances that you may be doing the silly mistakes. So that is the reason there are certain things you need to remember, just like I have written here by hearted. This thing you need to remember it by practicing so that the speed and accuracy will be increasing for you. Am I clear?
Yes sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From tomorrow onwards, beta, crash course is starting. So your class timings will be from your 7 to 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. One session, and here completely new topic will be starting. Maybe the first year topic, something like this. Again, as usually, 10:30 p.m. to your 11:30 p.m. Again, this 1 hour session. Here, your continuous topic, the topic which I am continuing here right now. This is
Yes, sir.
semiconductors and devices. This will be continued.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so roughly we'll be getting how much hours of time beta? Here 1.5 hours and here. That means
3
2
hours
hours,
sir.
30 minutes. I'll be taking the
30,
lectures for the next sections. Okay. Now here I may be starting with your thermodynamics chapter, or maybe units and dimensions or errors, or maybe any other topic that I'll try to tell you. Scoring topic and small topics I'll try to complete first so that I can get the score. And in evening section 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. semiconductors. This is the timetable till Ramadan. That means up to your March 31st or up to April 2nd. April 2nd
Yes,
వరకు
sir.
timetable ఉంటుందన్న కాన్స్టెంట్ టైం టేబుల్. So
Okay,
after
sir.
Ramadan the timings will be slightly changing, that I'll let you know, maybe half an hour here and there. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
So my target is, only thing is that by April 15th I should be completing you the maximum portion so that you can go for the revision, and maybe from March 25th we'll be starting with your grand test papers also. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So today you complete your logic gates, and tomorrow we'll try to start with your semiconductors and devices and complete that topic. Okay? Okay na? Sure. Good night beta.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good
Sir?
night, sir.
Yes beta. कुछ बोलना है
Sir,
क्या?
Fezza Institute starting a crash course, no, sir. Opposite
madam?
Eminent.
Hmm?
Eminent College, sir. Opposite Eminent College. Fezza Institute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there is best, sir.
They are good for IP, I think so. Basically, I don't know about the NEET. For
Okay,
IP
sir.
board examinations, they are a little bit famous on your Instagram, because I also see them, but I
Yes, sir.
literally don't have much idea